Hi lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. So if you have not seen my prep video by now, it will be in the cards on your screen above right now because I already did all that. So you can definitely go ahead and check that out and then come back to this video. So you see me here, I'm just going in with clear acrylic powder to build up the structure of this nail, making sure that my cuticle area is nice and flush. You guys already know how I do. I take my time and lay down my acrylic to prevent too much filing. So this is real time for me. So for my acrylic application today, I did use 3 beads of my clear acrylic, my cuticle area, my apex, and my free edge. Now the free edge was optional, just depending on if I needed a little bit extra strength to the tip of the extension. I went in with a very small bead to do so. Now it is really hot here and my acrylic was setting really quickly. So I was working not too fast, but with a little wetter bead than I'm usually doing, but not too wet to run everywhere and just make a hot mess. So I only showed you guys like 2 nails because I just did the same thing to all 10 fingers. So when the acrylic was set, I did go in off camera, file, reshaped, and buff the nails. And I'm going to get my filing video up really soon for you guys, so don't worry about it. It's coming. And I'll meet you guys back for the nail art design portion of the video. And I'll only be using gel paints and gel polish to create this design. So now that the nails are finished filing and that is what they look like, I'm going to go right in with the design. And I'm starting off with the Vetro Silver Leaf Gel. Now for me, I do 2 nice thin even coats, trying to get it as full coverage as possible with the first coat, and then the second coat just seals it off. Now you can get full coverage in just 1 coat. I, for curing purposes, prefer not to. It's just a safety precaution that I take, and I don't have an issue with applying 2 coats of it. So I do cure in between each coat. The first coat I cure for 15 seconds, and the second coat I do give it a full cure of 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with 2 coats of this purple gel polish, making sure to clean up my cuticle area and my side walls before putting her hand into the light. And again, I do 2 nice thin even layers, curing in between each layer, this time for 30 seconds. On this nail, I'm creating an ombre. Now, I want to make a little bit of a disclaimer. Please exclude the nails in the background. Those are my nails. And they're a mess now because I've been working and filing and all of that. And they are a hot mess. But if you're interested in seeing the original design, like when it was new and fresh, click on the cards on your screen right now and it will take you to that video, or you can wait till after and click the link in my description box and check it out. With this ombre nail, I'm just going to continue to play around with the colors until I'm happy with the fade, and then I'm going to clean up my sidewalls and cuticle area in case I get any gel polish on there, and pop her hand into the light and come back in with a second coat. Now the first coat does not need to be blended perfectly, but it needs to have that fade. If not, you're going to have a harsh line underneath your second coat. So now, using my Brill Bird brush and go in black and my Ugly Duckling Detailer number 2 art brush, I'm going to be creating sort of an abstract flower making sure that each petal is not touching the other, or it's sort of going in between each other. So it's like little teardrop shapes until I build up to that point where it actually resembles a flower. I don't want an actual flower. And I just did the outline of the petals on this nail, and on her other hand we did the coloring version of these same design. I didn't show it on camera, but that is what we did. I was pleased and happy with the way that it looked. I did go ahead and cure, applied my top coats, and that was it for this nail. So I did go ahead off camera and polish this nail with my favorite black gel polish. And I am going to be using the same purple and blue that I used to create the ombre nail, as well as I added a sort of a periwinkle blue, which is like the middle shade that we got when we created the ombre. And I'm just going to do the same petal effect on this nail. I'm going to allow you guys to watch me do it because it's really nothing to explain like step by step as to what I'm doing. It's easier for you guys to look on. After doing that, I just added some Swarovski crystals, applied my gel top coat and my cuticle oil, and of course I'll have a clip of the final product at the end of the video, followed by some pictures of the completed design. As always, you guys already know what you need to do. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and right next to that subscribe button, click the bell so that you don't miss a beat when I upload. Remember to be on the lookout for a new video every Tuesday and Saturday at 6 p.m. And I just started review it Thursdays, so once it is I have a review to get to you guys, I will be posting it every Thursday also at 6 p.m. Okay guys, that is it. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave some flowers with your comments in the comment section below. I love to see when we do emojis in the comment section below. It just makes it look so pretty. So that is it. I am gone. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.